Safari Duka wants you to enjoy its products on Safari or at home, and so they have been designed to easily disassemble or fold up to travel with you, and then just as easily set up again. This short video illustrates the disassembly and boxing of the round coffee table. Remove the top wooden segments and lay aside. Remove the top steel hoop by undoing the twin claw over center latches. Lay the hoop aside. Remove the lower wooden segments and lay aside. Remove the lower steel hoop by undoing its over center latches and disassemble from the legs. Before boxing, make sure that all 14 parts are present: 2 hoops, 8 wooden segments and 4 wooden legs. Lay the first foam rubber separator into the box. Both foam rubber separators are the same. Make sure to lay the foam sheet so that the holes match the webbing strap fixtures that are attached to the box floor. Pull the straps through as illustrated. Lay in the lower steel hoop. This is the one without handles, and make sure that the cross arms do not get in the way of the straps. Note that the straps are pulled clear on the inner side of the hoop. Lay down the second foam sheet, again ensuring that the holes match the lower ones, and pull the straps up through these. Lay down the top steel hoop, which is the one with the handles, and again pull the straps to lie on the inner side of the hoop. Place the legs onto opposing segments of foam as illustrated, making sure that their narrower ends face inwards towards the center of the hoop. Strap the legs down in pairs, passing the strap around the waist of each leg and tightening down with the Velcro strip. With the legs strapped down, lay the wooden segments into the 2 empty quarters of the hoop, 4 each. Now strap the hoops down, tightening with the double D rings. And finally secure the wooden segments into position with the Velcro strips. Put the box lid on and secure closed with the webbing straps, and tighten with the double D rings. The round coffee table is boxed and ready for travel, however rugged, to the next destination.